If you argue with a person that is worse than you, you are worse than the person. I mean, don't care who feel say at them me attack this morning. Out of many one people, but we no unite. We dey fight and we don't and don't know what we are fight for. We big woman they do it. People have to choose peace. People have to choose their sanity over anything else in our life. I know the children them what we raise in our household doing this mess. Are we same one where we're raised right just get corrupt? Cause I don't know young people me see they go and say some big hard woman like myself, yeah. I don't know young people me see they disgrace the whole place. And everybody is judging Jamaican as those set of people, the little bowl of people, so. I don't know young people they go on and I see them big 50 of the old woman them like myself. At them me see they go on, so that simply mean bad mind take over them brain. You can't have a whole world today and lose it by fire later. Vanity and vanity, man, we feel love each other. And that is the only way we're gonna have a good Jamaica. When we start love each other again. Too much war, too much fighting, too much name calling, too much disrespect, too much, rude attitude, too much of the mess. They go on. And everybody that is looking, they say, oh, I just say Jamaican them. I mean, no, I know Jamaican them. Come in where you have some decent people. They hating each other too much, man. They might hate upon each other too much. And I mean, when you see something flare up and you think, say, yeah, go flare up. And tomorrow we're not going to hear about it. It just keep going. It just keep going like it turned in norm. And if you see somebody with something and you're going to hate them, that's not going to allow you to have it. People need to work on their self and work on their attitude. Invest too much time in a nonsense. Then you tell some people, say you come from Jamaica or you're Jamaican, and then they're like, just whatever. And I know all of it answer. I know all of it stay so. Because I know some big nice woman in this world when they see certain things. But what? There's a lot of bad mind people where you have to where they cheer on these people. Look at life this way. You have some people where they'll cuss you, some people where me not class nobody, but me just say you have some people where they not stay good. They not in no class even cuss with you. And me house dirty. All of them something that happen to them. And you hear said them the people that they call your name. And you in your good mental state of mind. And go argue back with them people. You're worse than them, when you do it, You're worse than them, man. If you hear somebody, they call your name, and you know so the person in a no category, if you argue with you, and you go argue back with the person, you're worse than the person. All of who they back and forth and then nay with each other. If you argue with a person that is worse than you, you are worse than the person. I mean, don't care who feel say at them me attack this morning. Because most people think say when they come on the internet and then they cuss and then they go on bad and then get the winnings, then think say right it people now watch. Right it people see it. And right it people just look on you and say, you think him always somebody? Man or nothing. Now have to argue with nobody. If you get no fame or no fortune. You don't have to argue with a soul. We just need to fix it. You know? And people just need to stop being hypocrites. Cause you go dip on somebody page and then they do something when not justify. And you cheer them on and you boost them and you this and that, but you know definitely in your heart say you're not in that. You know definitely say you're not that quality of a person to go along with yourself. But because you're behind the scene, you cheer them on to do it. If you don't like it, you must not cheer on somebody. You tell them plain and straight. Say they are nonsense them I keep up. Me go over landlord, you know, me comment on landlord cuss me and say go call me husband. Me don't care. But I tell her say it's too much. Me tell her say you wake up morning time, you cuss. And you go back to your bed 11, 12 o'clock at night and you cuss. You don't stay good. And me tell her, me don't care. I pay bad word and pay cussing you hear from people nowadays, man. Big people need to grow up. Huh? Create one big woman group, a mature females group, and have some female in there that can suggest ideas. That's what great minds do. Instead of the heap of bugger nice. Bad mind and covetousness make they sitting there they go on, you know? Bad mind and covetousness make these things they go on nowadays. Because I know the young people them want we raise. We feel parents show how to raise with kids and raise them nicely. I know them I do it. And we as adults, they do it. We big woman, they do it. No one want to change them. No other country not doing it. Jamaica stand out by cussing each other. Jamaica stand out like that. Because my parents always tell me, say, you have to be the change where you want. If you need something to happen, you have to start. I wish nothing but good for everybody. I'm a wish if you just see the whole of them just start join together like Spice and the Angel. If I'm wearing my wig and I'm not wearing it right, I would want a sister to say, Jen, you're not wearing your wig right, you know? But instead of that, we would come out and laugh at each other. Look good and, this and, that. We're not building each other. We're not building a nation like that. Critics not build nobody. Nobody now look out for nobody again. You see me and my skirt back up in my ear and you take your phone and you video me. And you make a fuss at it. You come on the internet here so you see me sit down and they talk and my breast drop out. I am human. And you take your phone and you screenshot and you carry on over a mix-up page. Oh, she say she dep on her live, the chat and her breast drop out. Oh no, look here. Listen, let me tell you something. You see, critics make people famous. If you get up and you criticize somebody and you talk all kind of stuff about the person and you dep on the person's name every day, you think you do the person no harm? No, you're not. You're building that person and you're not building yourself. We logo or we whatever we have at Jamaica, we need to get rid of it. Out of many one people, but we no unite. We no unite. We dey fight and we don't know what we are fight for. You beat up yourself so you don't get no winnings. You understand what I say? When you are mature, you see when you're mature and find peace in your own self, the whole mix up what they go and make your stomach turn. Like you drink some milk and when they touch, so the whole mix up make you feel when you are mature and know that you worse when you're never used to them as something when you're young. People have to choose peace. People have to choose their sanity over anything else in our life. Whatever you feed whatever you feed your mind with, it affects your body. It affects even the way how you operate with your husband. It affects the way how you operate with your children. If you get up and you listen to these people every day, they cuss, you become a miserable person in your own house. You can't do it. Remember, you know, energy has something with transfer, you know. When you feed your brain with the negativity, you act negative in your house, your husband come home, you're the one that if you have woman, you want searching phone, you're searching pocket, you're cooking food and you don't present it properly on the table. In come in and you don't want to kiss him and ask him how he's in there. In come in and in call to you and you know, what? What you call me for? And that's how you operate because of the negative stuff that you feed yourself with during the course of the day. You first have to find peace with yourself so you can be at peace with other people. And if your energy is positive, then you will put out positive and you will attract other positive people. Negative people can't understand me, you know. And I don't want anybody to come on this platform and think that you're afraid to comment when you're here. You don't have to be afraid. I am not a person that cuss you out if you even say something out of how you feel, or I am not a person that gonna block you. I don't do that either. You know, I let people voice their concern, you know, because people learn from each other. You know, you may be going through something and that's the way you put it out there. But somebody in the comment section can tell you that, look, you need to look into this or look into that. And I'm not going to block nobody for have their reasoning. If you want to body shame somebody on my page, if you want to call people names out of their names, respect each other, you know. If you're gonna tell somebody that you don't like what they say, call them by their names. Don't call people the ugly girl, the fat girl, the big breast girl, the big belly girl. Man, I like them something there. We have to respect each other, even though we are big people and nobody can beat we, but we have to respect each other. You understand what I say? Let us stand in the gap for each other. Alright? And build a good nation. Let us be an example to others. No drama, you know, over here. So, all right, you guys take care of a wonderful day.